everyone, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. Well, we got something special happening today. 2 boxes have arrived and there's something special in both of them. We're not quite sure what they are, but let's go and have a look. Have a look at this. Wow! A Pendine Sand Racer, Brough Superior. And over here we have the Carbon Lawrence. Now I'm very excited about this one here, and I reckon we're going to rip the plastic off and just have a look and see exactly what we've got here. That is fabulous. Look at that. I love all this carbon and the fact that it's got a pillion seat. So that's going to make a huge difference for me because I like to take a pillion from time to time. But I'm very excited. You look, we've got ABS now. So great big disc rotors, ABS, billet front end. It is just pretty as. And if I'm not mistaken, this bike is ready to go. Woo! Number one. Okay, let's have a look and see what's inside here. Trusty razor blade. Wow, that's pretty. Liberated. Isn't it beautiful? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed unboxing these as much as I did. So stay tuned, we're going to do a video on each one of these motorcycles and join us for those stories in the future. Okay guys, now remember, like and subscribe and watch our channel. Thanks for watching.